Still not using Instagram stories because you think it's complicated? Want to create eye-catching stories that actually get views and engagement? In the next few minutes, I'll show you everything you need to know. Step by step. Welcome to Preyo Phonie. Today, I'll walk you through the complete beginner's guide to Instagram stories in the easiest way possible. Step 1. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to post from. Look at the bottom menu and tap the plus icon. This is where you create all new content, including stories. Step 2. After tapping the plus icon, choose Story from the options. This will instantly open your story camera window. You'll now see your camera screen ready to capture content. From here, you can create photo or video stories in seconds. Step 3. Tap the shutter button once to take a photo. Press and hold the shutter button to record a video. If you need better lighting, tap the lightning bolt icon at the top to enable flash. To switch cameras, tap the rotating arrow in the bottom corner. Step 4. If you already have content saved, tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. This opens your phone's camera roll. Select the photo or video you want to upload. Now you're ready to edit and customize your story. Step 5. At the top of your screen, you'll see multiple editing tools. These tools allow you to add text, stickers, music, and effects. They help transform a simple post into an engaging story. This is where your creativity makes the difference. Step 6. Tap the text icon at the top of the screen. Type your message clearly and keep it easy to read. To tag someone, type I followed by their username. This notifies them and increases engagement. Step 7. Choose from different fonts to match your vibe. Change the color to make your text stand out. Add animation effects for more dynamic visuals. Adjust alignment and background for better readability. Step 8. Use the slider on the left to resize your text. Tap Done once you're satisfied with the style. Drag the text anywhere on the screen to reposition it. Place it strategically so it doesn't block important visuals. If you're learning something new right now, hit that like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more simple, powerful Instagram tutorials every week. Step 9. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Browse options like location, mentions, polls, and questions. These stickers boost interaction and engagement. Interactive stories perform better with the algorithm. Step 10. Use the search bar to find fun GIFs or graphics. Tap any sticker to instantly add it to your story. Resize and drag it to position it perfectly. Keep it clean and avoid overcrowding your screen. Step 11. Tap the music icon from the top menu. Browse suggested tracks or search for a specific song. Tap the play button to preview any track. Choose a song that matches your content mood. Step 12. Tap the song title to add it to your story. Use the slider at the bottom to pick the best part. Select the exact section that fits your vibe. Tap Done to apply the music. Step 13. Tap the sparkle icon at the top of your screen. Browse through different visual effects. Tap any effect to preview it live. Hit the shutter button to apply it. Step 14. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Here you can draw directly on your story. You can also label AI-generated content if needed. You'll also see the option to save your story. Step 15. When you're finished editing, tap Your Story. This shares the story with all your followers. If you prefer privacy, tap Close Friends. That limits visibility to selected people only. Step 16. If someone tags you in their story, open your DMs. You'll see an option to add to your story. Tap it to repost and customize it. Then share it like any other story. And that's your complete beginner's guide to mastering Insta-G.